Zero. Hello, teacher.
Hi, Lynn. Can you hear teacher?
Yes,
Okay. How are you today?
I'm good.
You are good. Okay, that's good to hear. You are good, Lynn, because today we will be continuing unit 12, which is about reading and writing. Okay, do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. So here we go, Lynn. Let me share to you the screen now so we can start with Unit 12B. Okay. So after this, we'll be doing speaking activity. Okay. All right. So here. Okay, Lynn, this one is done already, right? We finished the first part of the reading and writing. Now, Lynn, we will proceed to the part two, which is you're going to look at the picture, read the sentences, write yes if it's in the picture, write no if it's not in the picture, okay? Now, here we go, Lynn. I want you to look at the picture, understand the sentences 1 to 6, and then write the correct answer.
Happiness.
Okay, Lynn, I want you to read sentence 1 to 6 together with your answer. Go.
The teacher is bouncing at the door. Yes. A boy with red trousers is riding a bicycle. No. One of the children has a best name. Yes. Three boys are playing with a ball. No. The girl under the tree is itching. Yes. The girl next to the wall is wearing a trouser. Yes.
Okay, let's check now your answer. Number 1, the teacher is pointing at the dog. The answer here is yes, correct. 2, a boy with a red trouser is riding a bicycle. Very good. No. Why the answer is no, Lynn? Because
Because of riding a bicycle wearing a blue trouser.
okay, because it's wearing a blue trouser. Next, number 3, one of the children has got a pet snake. The answer is yes, correct. 4, 3 boys are playing with a ball. No, why the answer is no?
Because two boys are playing with the ball.
Because 2 boys are playing basketball. Next, number 5, the girl under the tree is eating. No, the answer is no, Lynn. Look at the girl under the tree. She isn't eating. She is? What is she doing? Look at the picture. She is?
It is
Look at there. Look at the girl under the tree.
drinking.
Yeah, she is drinking. That's why the answer is no. Number 6, the girl next to the wall is wearing trousers. Yes. Okay, Lynn, there you go. You just got one mistake only. Okay? Only got one mistake. Okay, next. There you go, Lynn. Lynn, read the text and choose the best answer. Please encircle the letter of the best answer to the question.
Happiness.
Okay, Lynn, please read question number 1.
Why didn't you come play table tennis yesterday? That's a bit because I was tired.
Okay. Why didn't you come for the table tennis yesterday? The answer is letter B. Because I was tired. Correct, Lynn. Very good. Number 2 is, number 1 is correct. Let's move to the next one. There you go, Lynn. You answer firstly numbers 2 to 6.
Which one is?
Lynn, please read line numbers 2 to 6 together with your answer. Go, Lynn.
Do you want to come and share my new cars? That's a big and what is? Can you come tomorrow then? That's a I. You can come. Have you got homework to do? That's a I. Yes or no? Why are you stuck in here? That's a big this in my house.
Okay.
Are your books there? Let us say, oh yes, thanks.
Okay, so here, Lynn, let's check now your answer. Number 2, do you want to come and see my new kite? The answer is, oh, wait, Lynn, look at here. Okay, Lynn, the answer here, it could be letter A or letter B. Because in letter A, that's a negative answer, but also that's also a correct answer. But in letter B, Lynn, it is a correct answer in a positive form. So number 2, got two answers, A and B, okay? So you are correct. Let's do number 3. Can you come tomorrow then? The answer here is, oh, I'll ask my mom. Here, Lynn, the answer or your answer, you can come, is not the correct answer because the question is, for example, I am the one asking you, can you come tomorrow then? You cannot say, you can come. No. You will say, yes, I can come. You is not the correct answer, but it should be I. Okay. Number 4, have you got homework to do? Yes, a lot, correct. 5, why are you stopping there or here? The answer is, this is my house, correct. Number 6, Lynn, Here are your books then. The answer is, oh yes, thanks. Okay, very good, Lynn. Perfectly answered. Okay, correct answers. Now here, let's do to the next one. But before that, Lynn, you enter again to my Zoom class, Lynn, because it's about to close.